YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks, doing a quick little video, just kind of a PSA on using a Ridgid Ash Vac for your fireplace and or pellet burner. In my case, pellet burner. Let's get to it. All right, now, so a lot of people, once the ash is cooled off, you know, this is cool to touch. It's been off for hours. A lot of people are willing to use a shop vac, just a regular old plain old shop vac. Don't do that. This is their actual Ridgid makes a specific ash vac. All the attachments are steel. This hose is flexible steel. We take this off of here. You open it up and it has a special filter. This thing's actually dirty. I have to clean it, but it's a special filter, steel cage, aluminum, that's meant for the finer particulates from the ash so it doesn't go flying around the house. But yeah, so let's fire this thing up and clean up some ash. And also, because I always forget to do this, here's the model number, all the information for this. So I have to scrape this thing down, get all this other stuff loosened up so it'll suck it up, but mostly just wanted to get this auger feet or the outfeed area, get that so we can, their little burn pile, get that all cleaned up and ready to go. All right, so got most of the big stuff scraped off. Sometimes I get in there with a toothbrush when I'm really trying to do a detail cleaning, scrape all the other stuff down. But burn pot's cleaned up, got this edge cleaned up. I got to pull the actual bin and then suck the rest of the dust out on the sides, and we'll be done with that. All right, so the ash bin's out of there. Everything's cleaned out on the sides. Like I said, if I wanted to fine tooth it, you go over it with like a toothbrush or some kind of comb. Not comb, brush, silly. But anyhow, yeah. So Ridgid Ash Vac, definitely the way to go. Yeah, so taking a peek inside this thing, see, especially as fine as that dust is, that's why you use this ash vac with their special filter on it. So you'll grab where the mesh wire is, you can grab that and it'll spin off, and then this aluminum part is a protective over the top inner workings there. I'll take this apart real quick with my other hand. All right, had to run this outside real quick, didn't want to do this indoors. So yeah, this canister piece that screws in like that, like I said, you just grab the outer cage and it'll spin off. Then this. If you got access to an air compressor to blow it out, it's a little piece of fabric right there. You can kind of clean that up some more. But yeah, that's it. All right, YouTube, that was my quick little video for the Ridgid Ash Vac. Model number DVO 5000. As always, YouTube, it's been awesome. It's cold here in Ohio, and I am packing to move, so I will talk to you guys again soon.